Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Rashmi's Vlog Life. In this video, we'll be seeing a time traveling into 26 July 2020 to see the recipe of authenticated Chettinadu prawn tokku in a restaurant style. And let's get into this video.
Lemon, salt, turmeric, chili and coriander powder. குழம்பு தூள் தான் நம்ம இதில் நல்லா பிசைஞ்சு மேரினேட் பண்ணி வச்சுருவோம்.
Dry roasting few spices, so I added 2 dry red chilies and 1 tablespoon of pepper, and then fennel seeds and 1 cinnamon stick, and now I am adding 2 star anise and I'll add 1 clove, and later to this in mixie I'll directly add the dry roasted cumin powder. Now I'll add oil to this so that I'll get a nice fine paste of this. I'm adding dry roasted cumin powder directly into the mixie. Now I'll add desiccated coconut into the mixie, almost 2 tablespoons. I'll transfer all these spices into the mixer jar, so I'll make it into a fine paste by adding a little bit of water to this. In same mixer jar I am adding 2 green chilies, handful of ginger garlic, adding a handful of onion to this mixture so that it will be a fine paste. For this Chettinadu prawn masala, you need to add almost 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil so that the dish will be so delicious, restaurant style. Adding curry leaves to this. Four onions, saute it nicely. I am adding a green chili, ginger garlic, onion paste to this. You should saute this till it reach to the golden brown state. Make fine paste of 2 tomatoes. Started to turn into golden brown. Now I am adding tomato paste to this. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. We can check and add later also. I am adding fine paste of spice mixture. Adding little bit of water to this. Adding generous amount of turmeric to this, adding homemade curry powder and then cumin powder to this. Saute this mixture well. Adding water to this. Adding marinated prawn into this mixture. Saute it nicely so that prawn should be coated with masala. I'm adding little bit of water to this. Let it cook for a few minutes. After tasting, adding half a tablespoon of salt to this mixture. You can do taste test to check whether you need to add any spices to this or the masalas are cooked well or not. Finally, I am adding pepper to this, generous amount of pepper, because in Chettinadu masalas or Chettinadu dishes you will have a final touch of pepper in that. Final touch, you can add coriander and curry leaves in this, but I am adding only curry leaves. And I'm adding little bit of oil in this to have a restaurant style touch up. That's it, our Chettinadu style prawn tokku is ready. We will be serving it now. Thank you so much for watching Rashmi's Vlog Life. I'll see you all in another interesting video. Take care of you. God bless you all with a healthy life.